So guys, we're back. This is, it stopped on me. So, my camera died. So I guess this is part 2 of putting the fan back together. So we just oiled the fan. I had a hard time putting the blade back on, so I had to take the back grill off. And now we're just going to put the fan all back together. So this is part 2 of that. So, and I had stopped the video, paused the video, because I had to take this other screwdriver out of here with a manual screwdriver, but we're not going to use the manual screwdriver to put the screws back in. It'll take way too long. So, yeah. So we're going to put all the screws back on, front and back grill, and we're going to test our work and see how it works, see how we did. And I'm sure it's going to be a lot better like it usually is, but I hope that it would not be nice if it wouldn't keep on seizing up on me all the time, because it's really not fun doing this, not by a long shot. Come on. Okay, that's on. Pain in the butt to get back on. Okay, I guess the screws are stripped. Now I did that with that. That's interesting. Cool. Very nice. It's really not that dusty, so I'm not going to even bother cleaning it yet. It's a little bit dusty, but it's not that dusty. Okay. Oops. Okay. It's very hot in this room right now, but oops. That's weird. Okay. There is one side that a screw is missing, so okay, that back grill's on. Get the front grill back on. Oh, wrong way. This is a longer tube. Unfortunately, I wanted to do all in one. I didn't want to really do part 1, part 2, but obviously I had to because this camera stopped. Okay. And my camera died, so. Oh! That wasn't cool. Oh no. Okay, cool. Let's try that again. Doesn't have it lined up like it should be. Okay. Interesting. The screw is stripped. Nice. Very clever. Okay. Heck, oh. Alright, well, this keeps falling out. Sorry about this, guys. It keeps popping out, and I'm not sure why. Yeah, this is gonna be a long video. 38 minutes. Interesting. Went from 15 to 38. Hopefully it saved the other one. I think I'll just do this one like this. That one will just get on like that. And we need to get this. Now I am gonna say sometimes when you put these grills back on, they do not go on very easily. Okay. Now, gotta get that. I think I have. Alright, all the grills back on. Everything's back. So let's see how this runs now. So I'm gonna put the camera. I'm gonna put the camera over back where I had it before when I first started it, and we can see how this works. Let me bring this over because I got it on the charger while it's recording here. Okay, let's see. Plug this back in. I'm sure it's gonna work pretty good, but I just like to show the difference from when it was before when I first started the camera. Whoopsie. Okay. Hopefully it doesn't fall. Okay. Now let's see. Let's turn the face away from the camera. Better. Low, off. Nice spin down time. Awesome. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and please comment, like, and subscribe, and more videos to come. Alright, bye-bye.